time I would like to say hi to the director, teacher, and hello everyone. My name is Panat. I'm 17 years old. I'm from Tarapong Village, National Community, Samkiminche District, Kampong Chnam Province. I study at my Francis Samkiminche High School, and I'm a student from American International School. I am very happy to stand here to present this about Valentine's Day. Valentine's Day is a special day when people show love and appreciation to those they care about. It is celebrated on February 14th every year. People often exchange card candy and small gifts to express their feelings. On Valentine's Day, you might see lots of hand flower and colorette. This symbol represents love and friendship. Many people give and receive Valentine's Day cards with sweet message. Some even make handmade cards to make them extra special. One fundraiser on Valentine's Day is giving and receiving Valentine. These are small cards with cute picture and kind words. Sometimes they come with little treat like heart set, candies or stickers. Families and friends also celebrate Valentine's Day by spending time together. Some people have special meal or share delicious treats like cookies and cupcakes. It's a day to express love. That cover what I want to say today. Thank you, director, teacher, and everyone for listening my presentation.